Honorable Shatima.
Lawan Shetima Ali, representing Bursari, Gaidam Yunusari Federal Constituency from Yobe State. Mr. Speaker, sir, honorable colleagues, I have a motion of urgent public importance on the urgent need to rehabilitate or reconstruct international route, that is Gaidam Maine Sorwa Road, Gaidam in Yobe, state of Nigeria, while Maine Sorwa is in Niger Republic. I feel I should have brought this thing as a susceptible motion yet, but I consider the time as very necessary for me to bring it up as a matter of urgent public importance, Mr. Speaker.
Motion, please say aye. Those against, please say nay. The ayes have it. Honorable.
The urgent need for reconstruction of the Gaidam Mainesora Road in Yobe State. Notes that Gaidam local government area is a border town that...
Is Honorable Maki Yeleman in the house, please? Approach the chair if you're here.
Major cross-border route through which goods and services are transported between Nigeria and other African sister countries. Aware that the concept of good governance involves the ability of government to meet the needs of the people through accountable, responsible, reliable, and quality service delivery, which can be achieved through the provision of good roads. Also aware that good roads provided hope for prosperity for commuters using the road for trade and other socio-economic activities. Also aware that good roads provided hope for prosperity for commuters using the road for trade and other socio-economic activities. Concerned that since the construction of the 35-kilometer surface dress road in 2005 to 2007, hardly any maintenance has been carried out on the road. Also concerned that the Gaidam-Mainesoroa Road, which is plied regularly by heavy trucks, duty trucks, has suffered total neglect over time, leading to its collapse. Worried that due to the deplorable state of the road, the people of Gaidam local government area and commuters are suffering untold hardship as vehicular movement is hindered and regular economic activities are being frustrated by their inability to smoothly transact business with neighboring towns and cities. Also worried that the road has become a death trap for motorists and commuters with attendant risks ranging from constant vehicle breakdowns to loss of lives through accidents and armed robbery attacks by hoodlums who take advantage of the helpless situation of victims. Cognizant that reconstruction of the road will greatly improve the interstate and the trans-border trade, thus boosting the nation's economy as well as enhancing the lives of the people. Resolves to, that is my prayer, Mr. Speaker and honorable colleagues, urge the Federal Roads Maintenance Agency, FEMA, to commence immediate rehabilitation of the Gaidam-Mainesoroa Road in Gaidam local government area of Yobe State. Two, also urge the Federal Ministry of Power, Works and Housing to make provisions in the 2020 budget estimates for the reconstruction and the expansion of the aforementioned road. Three, mandate the Committee on Works and Federal Road Maintenance Agency when constituted to ensure compliance. I so submit, Mr. Speaker and honorable humble colleagues.
Nay. The ayes have it. Honorable Shatima.
Mr. Speaker, sir, honorable colleagues, before saying anything, I have to express my appreciation for understanding. Mr. Speaker, sir, the road under reference is a very important and economically viable road linking Nigeria with our sister country, Niger Republic, through Mainesoroa up to the province of Dipa in Niger Republic. This road was constructed as a surface dress road about almost 10 years or more than 10 years ago during the Obasanjo regime. Your Excellency, Gaidan Maine Sorwa 35-kilometer road is the only linking road into our sister country of Nigeria Republic, considering the distance, total length of over 365 kilometers of the entire border route. Your Excellency, distinguished colleagues, I believe with the situation in Yobe in particular and the entire Northeast, anything to improve our economic or socio-economic activities has to be supported because of the devastating situation we found ourselves as a result of the insurgency. Your Excellency, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I appeal to this honorable chamber to take it as a matter of urgency for the relevant agency, particularly the FEMA, for the immediate rehabilitation, and by extension for the Ministry of Power, Works and Housing to put it in the next year's, that is 2020 appropriation bill, so that this road, very important road, will be reconstructed. With these few remarks, I appeal to this honorable House to again support me wholly. Thank you.